Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zendesk Chat for customer interaction step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel. In the left sidebar, locate the channels section. Click on web widget under the channels menu. Toggle to turn on the web widget if it isn't already enabled. Scroll down to find the chat section. Make sure the enable chat option is selected. Next, you'll need to customize your chat settings. You can adjust the appearance of the chat widget to match your website's branding. Choose a welcome message that will greet visitors when they access the chat. Set operational hours for when the chat will be available to customers. Now, click the Save button to apply your changes. Then, locate the installation code for the chat widget. Copy the provided JavaScript code snippet. Next, open the backend of your website. In the HTML of your site, paste the JavaScript code just before the closing /body tag. Save your changes in the website's backend. Return to your Zendesk account. Go back to the web widget settings to ensure your chat is displayed properly. Test the chat widget by refreshing your website. Check that the widget appears on your site. Initiate a chat session to verify its functioning as intended. Review the chat transcripts in Zendesk to see interactions. Make any necessary adjustments in the settings based on your preferences. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zendesk Chat for customer interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.